Tell us what you're planning on doing.
How you doing, Mr. Thompson? Just planning on continue doing what I'm doing. We're getting great momentum. My name is Deshaun Smith out of New Money, New Mexico. Background in addiction and recovery, heavy on the recovery. I work leads. I work out of the leads group. And so I've been generating leads from social media and having incredible momentum with that. So we're just going to continue doing the same thing.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Keep on going. Andy Entrican. Hey, Andy, go ahead. I just unmuted you.
Hey, everybody. Great seeing everybody on the leaderboards. I'm focusing a lot right now on the chambers of commerce and things like that. So I go to chamber events all the time. I started my own networking group in the area where I give people a platform to share who they are and what they do with a very relaxed atmosphere. Talk about that another time. But I'm following up with a lot of them that I've given information to and I've built relationships and rapport with, and they've all said they have things that they would like to get done. And I'm just following up and I'm saying, hey, Sandra, it's Andy. I know you told me you wanted to get your will done, and this is actually still Make a Will Month for the last couple of days. And, and I would love to help you get that done in August, in Make a Will Month. Wouldn't that be cool? And, I've signed up a couple people today doing that, and a couple business owners today just reaching out to them. And, last thing, two of the business owners that I've signed up today for 113.95 plans, I introduced them to someone else that could send them business before I wrote that membership. So if you got somebody on the fence that maybe is a business owner, maybe does sales or something, if you can find a way to give them a referral as well as solve a problem in their life with some of our services, y'all, it is a win-win, and people love win-wins. Help somebody with something that they need and then ask for the sale.